Hey guys, this is Meryl from Mis3 Aviation here with another video, and today we'll be talking about the inaugural delivery of the Air New Zealand A321neo. This aircraft has a registration of ZK-NNA, or Zulu Kilo November November Alpha. Go back to the start of June 2014 and Air New Zealand made a whopping 1.6 billion New Zealand dollar order of mixed A320neos and A321neos. They had placed an order for 13 of those aircraft. These aircraft are due to replace the current international A320s that operate the Tasman and Pacific Island services. The airline selected to have Pratt & Whitney PW1100G geared turbofan engines to power both its A320 and A321neos. This is all backed with a 16-year service agreement with the airline and Pratt & Whitney. It was later decided Air New Zealand were to receive 6 A320neos and 7 A320neos. Going forward to June 2017, the initial delivery date of the A320 and 21neos was delayed from late 2017 till November 2018. This was due to some mechanical issues with the Pratt & Whitney engines. Now let's go further on to August 2018, and 3 months away from the inaugural delivery of the Air New Zealand A321. And Air New Zealand announced that it would add an extra 7 A321neos to its original order, which makes the total to 6 A320neos and 14 A320neos. On Monday, 5th November, Air New Zealand welcomed their newest aircraft to their fleet, flying all the way from Hamburg to Auckland via Muscat. Sorry if I mispronounced any of these. Muscat, Kuala Lumpur, and finally Cairns. The A321neo was the first one out of 13 to arrive in Auckland. The flight made touchdown at 10:23 p.m. New Zealand time. I'm not sure whether it had received a water salute welcome, but I'm sure if there was one of you guys can confirm down below in the comments. The next A321neo will also be arriving in the coming weeks with registration of ZK-NNB, or Zulu Kilo November November Bravo. Unlike the first A321neo, which has the all black livery, the Zulu Kilo November November Bravo will have the original Air New Zealand livery. Well, not original, like the new Air New Zealand livery, the basic one. The A320neo has 214 all-leather new economy seats with a configuration of 3x3. The Air New Zealand upholstered seats are 3 cm wider at the middle seat and 1 cm wider on the aisle and window. As well as compared to the A320 international configuration. Other improvements from the current A320s include a 10-inch Android-based touchscreen, as well as high-powered USB charging ports, as well as Wi-Fi connectivity. The CEO of Air New Zealand, Christopher Luxon, has also proudly said, "We extensively tested and refined the Neo in-flight experience with our customers to ensure we could incorporate their feedback while meeting the regularity and operating requirements. And we are confident that we've delivered an in-flight experience that our customers are now going to enjoy." New generation engines, fuel-efficient sharklet wingtip devices, and approximately 25% more seats than the A320 means that the A321neos are expected to help deliver fuel savings and efficiency of at least 15% compared to the current A320 aircraft. All of this will overall help reduce carbon emissions. The airline's first A320neo, well, moving completely sidetracked, but the airline's first A320neo is scheduled for February 2019. The remaining aircraft will follow intervals through until late 2019. So that's when all 6 will come through. And whilst the additional A321neos for the airline for the domestic network, they are all expected to be delivered from 2020 to 2024. The A320neo with the reg of ZK-NNA, which is the most recent one, the inaugural flight. That aircraft is expected to enter the commercial service on November 23rd of 2018, operating flight NZ739 from Auckland to Brisbane. And guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. Please make sure to give a big like, and please do subscribe to the channel, and comment your guys' thoughts. Comment what I need to improve. I'd love to hear what your guys' feedback as usual. Thank you guys. If I missed out anything, I'll include in the description below. Cheers. Goodbye.